Good morning. Happy Aloha Friday and Veterans Day here at Middle School North. Veterans Day is a really important day here at Middle School North. It has been a long tradition. We have many staff members who served, and I have many family members and friends who have served in World War II, Korea, and, Gulf conflict, Afghanistan. A lot of service, and we really appreciate and deeply thank all those who have served. Um, I share a lot of students. I share with my students a lot of the stories and letters from family members who have served. And I use that as a context to talk a little bit about the effects of trauma and those kinds of things, because I share that, there are physical and emotional effects that can come from that. And at Center Grove, we have many programs that are there to support our students, staff, and families that deal with those many mental health issues that can result from trauma. And, as a school corporation as large as ours, sometimes it can be hard to identify, uh, all those services that are provided. And so I'm going to put a link in here, but there are, family resources. There is, mental health programs that are available. And probably the one that is most important is, suicide prevention and intervention, because, we never want to lose, loved ones to suicide. And um, in those mental health situations, sometimes it's hard to decide, where to turn and what to do. And so I'm going to include a link here that is just a useful tool that's kind of a flow chart that families can use to identify exactly what to do and who to reach out to. And so, if it's a child academic type of thing, there are social workers and counselors here at the school, school psychologists and things like that that are available. If it's a mental health issue and those types of things, there are other things that might need to be considered. And so I will put links to all of that in this, and it's definitely something that we want to make sure that we put at the forefront of our services that we provide to students and families. As far as what's happening in science this week, we did finish up ionic bonding, started covalent bonding a little bit late this week. And next week, we're going to start talking about um, different types of the law of conservation of mass, how those reactions occur, counting atoms, and then some simple balancing. As far as what we're doing in biology, we did just finish up cell respiration and photosynthesis. Took the test a couple days ago. All of that is updated now in Skyward. Um, and then have just started introducing DNA and protein synthesis. So that will be the last test before semester finals, so the end of the fall semester. And I did put some information in there as far as important dates as we start wrapping up the fall semester. Hard to believe we're already coming to the end of that. So, as always, if you have any question, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm not sure I'll do a weekly update next Friday as we lead into the Thanksgiving break. We'll just kind of wait and see how that plays out. But, as always, if you have any questions, just be sure to contact me. Thank you again for so much that you do to support the learning that takes place in my classroom.